This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jeremiah Wampler. Coming soon. Live at the open house this Sunday the 25th from 2 to 4 p.m. Incredible, custom-built, basement rancher in a highly desired location. This home has been immaculately kept and cared for. All that is needed for living is on the main floor, with a huge finished basement below for entertaining, hobbies and/or additional living space. The oversized and fenced backyard feels more like your own private park or nature reserve. It boasts a wonderful deck, just off the kitchen/dining area for eating, relaxing or watching the activities of loved ones below. A custom stone pathway will lead you down to the perfect fire pit/sitting area that you can enjoy with friends or in privacy without seeing another soul. Hurry and reserve your spot today. For more information,